Next week, as we go from Monday into Tuesday and Wednesday with the possibility of 3, even 5 feet of snow in the mountains, avalanche danger will be ramping up. So folks that are backcountry skiing, you know where to check to get the good forecast. Let's go ahead and take a look at that web camera up on Mount Rose. Quiet this afternoon, plenty of sunshine. Things change rapidly by Sunday night. So our winter storm watch Sunday evening through Wednesday evening. The next logical step, if the models hold together later tonight and again through the day on Saturday, this will all go up to a winter storm warning. Travel will be difficult to impossible, I think, as we go into Monday afternoon, Monday night, Tuesday, and into Wednesday. Right now, high clouds beginning to move across the area, and we're going to be on the dry side. Pretty quiet here tonight. Again tomorrow, right now mild, 53 degrees. Winds are out of the east at 3, your relative humidity at 36%. So we went from 27 to 53 today. Average high is 52, record high is 71. So we were right there in that ballpark with averages. It's 45 in Truckee, 50 Carson City, 42 in Virginia City. Here we key in on the storm. This is Saturday. That trough well out into the Pacific, that begins to drop in as we go from Sunday into Monday. Becomes a closed low, feeding moisture in. So again, don't see a whole lot of precipitation until Sunday evening and then overnight and into Monday morning as that low pulls a little bit closer here. Then watch what happens as we go into the day on Monday. That first low kind of gets picked up and pushed in as another upper level piece of energy drops in. So that is going to keep us on the active side all the way through the middle of next week. Here's our future cast as we work our way into the day on Saturday. Very quiet. Precipitation begins to load in from San Francisco up towards Chico and Redding that Sunday afternoon, and then that snow moves into the mountains. Now we're going to stop here at 6 a.m. Monday morning. Right now, it looks like we may see a little bit of rain and snow here in western Nevada for Monday morning if you're up and about early. But if you're heading into the mountains, just know that we've got moderate to heavy snow, and that will continue to come in waves. This takes us into Monday afternoon and evening. It still looks like the best chance to see accumulating snow. Reno, Sparks, Carson City, Minden, and Gardnerville will be from Monday night and overnight into Tuesday morning. But again, this is a system that is just coming in waves, so it starts Sunday night. It takes us all the way from Tuesday into Wednesday. That was beyond the high res. This is the Barron 15K. And again, it shows snow in the mountains all the way through Tuesday night and into Thursday with another round of heavy snow as we go into Wednesday morning. And then eventually during the day on Wednesday, it begins to wind down. But you can see there through the lunch hour, we will continue to see periods of snow in the mountains. And then it does look like early into Thursday, we begin to calm down. But look at some of the liquid equivalents here. Most of this is going to fall as snow in the mountains, but if you melted all of that snow down, we're talking about 5 to 7 inches of liquid, water, rain, 5 to 7 inches along the California coastline as well. So this is a significant winter storm coming our way. Through Sunday morning, Sunday afternoon, very little snowfall. Then watch what happens as we go from Sunday into Monday and Tuesday. The snow begins to pile up in the mountains. And yes, as we go into Tuesday, some snow here on the valley floor possible, but that is a big snowstorm for the Sierra. We are looking now at 3 to 5 feet along the Sierra crest. Then as you get in towards the lake, some of the heavier stuff is going to be on the western side of the lake, but 18 to 30 inches of snow. Let's talk about snow potential Monday morning through Wednesday afternoon for the Reno area. Reno and Sparks, we're probably looking at 1 to 3 inches of snow. Nothing like the mountains are going to see, but in the Verdi area, just out to our west, we could see anywhere from 8 to 12. Carson City, 3 to 6, 8 to 12. Virginia City and Incline Village, 1 to 2 feet possible. So this is going to be an impactful storm regardless of where you are. 59 in Hawthorne, 50 Ely, 52 in Tonopah. Overnight lows Saturday down to 12 in Bridgeport. Your high 59, 56 in Winnemucca. Look for overnight lows in the 20s around the lake. 54 Susanville, 55 in Carson City. And our neighborhood temperatures, 51 Galena, 54 Pleasant Valley, 57 in Collin Ranch Saturday afternoon, and about 53 in Cold Springs. So again, if you're driving into the mountains from Sunday night through Wednesday, it's going to be rough. Yeah. And it's one of those storms that we could be talking about, you know, road closures on I-80 and Highway 50 and Mount Rose Highway, whether it's because of accidents or because of avalanche mitigation and controls. Right. So if you don't have to drive into the mountains. The other thing that I would throw out there, because it is a holiday weekend, we're talking about ridgetop wind gusts over 100 miles an hour in the Sierra. There's a distinct possibility that some of the ski resorts are impacted by those winds as we go from Sunday night into Monday and Tuesday. They may not be able to open, so just keep all of that in the back of your mind.
Yeah, I think you get so excited that snow is finally coming, but you still have to remember the harsh realities and the dangers of it too.
And there's still some question marks, as there always are for valley locations.
Yeah.
But the mountains, it's looking very good.
Okay, thank you.